Hello friends, welcome to the another new video of Mission Activities, and today I have made an ATM machine which works with cards. So let's see how it works. So this is our card, and now I will slowly put this here, and from this down the coins will come, and you can see this that these coins are coming. We will put it, and more coins are there because so see, you can see the other coins have also come. So let's try once more. So for that, first up this is there, and we have to put our coins here. So we will put them up, and now here this card we have to put this here, and from down these coins come. So now I will put my hand, and you can get these coins. But now let's see. See, now I have not put any card, and I am putting my hand here, but no coins are there. But when I will put this here, the coins will come from down like this. So see, now I can see these coins from here, and they have came. And now let's see how it works. So actually, first we have to make these like this, a box and this. Then we have to make a cardboard piece, and like this, a slanting cardboard piece. We have to keep it like this slanting so that coins come. And then we have to make this and a small gap to put the card, and in we have to take 4 small like this size cards, and the 2 should be like this, and 2 should be half little much cutted, and like this they will show here. And then we have to put the coin from here. They will fall inside that box, and then that is like this. So when you put the card will go from between and till another end. And then these here I have put a block which should be not full till end, only little space should remaining. They will be pushed out and come from the next come from down. See, now I am pushing this coins by putting this cards. And see, the coins have come from down, so you can make it more slant. And now also some coins are remaining, and I will put it. So the coins have come from down. They have came, and one more coin is remaining. I will put hand, and I got it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will upload like this more cardboard crafts video. Bye. Thank you.